Some areas are under a flood watch.
Here is a live look outside. It's no wonder since we've had plenty of rain and we can still see the clouds hanging in the sky. Mary Kay is here now with a check of this forecast.
Persistent fog and rain through the night, temperatures staying in the mid-50s, but it looks like the flash flood threat is really south of I-80 tonight. But you can see on the radar filling in with that persistent shower activity continuing. Now here's what we expect. The farther north you go, just passing showers, but rain is likely with some heavier downpours at times right through Cook County and into Orland Park. But the flash flood threat, where we could see those rainfall rates of 1.5 inches to 2 inches per hour, really is for Kankakee County and for all of northwest Indiana tonight. And that's where the National Weather Service has that flash flood watch up through Thursday morning. So just keep that in mind for the morning rush. Right now we have the heaviest downpours from Watseka into Kankakee County. You can look a little tighter here, and we are seeing around Beaver and St. Anne and Momence, and also Kankakee into Manteno right along the highway there. So we're getting those heavier downpours, probably creating ponding on area roadways. I want to zoom it out so you can see how we have more rain on the way from Springfield trying to move into the picture. That's all wrapped into the storm center that still has to move through. Visibility is down a bit. We have showers at Midway, 57 degrees. Those winds are still off the lake coming out of the north and northeast. That's why it's been so cool, and that also pulled in that marine layer, giving us the fog. It's 54 at the lakefront right now, 59 in Valparaiso. So high pressure is to the north, giving us that cool wind, but south of that warm front, that's where we're finding the humid, unstable air. So here's the low. This has to travel to the east right along this warm front. That's why I'm expecting the rain chance to increase. So look at the midnight hour here. Heavier downpours. They're with us through the early morning hours. There's 2 a.m. into 5 a.m. Still wet. If you have an early morning commute, you'll probably be affected with some rain, even at 8 a.m. Scattered showers still around us. Here's 10 a.m. where it finally starts to depart. We have to wait for that area of low pressure. Here's 7 a.m. It starts moving into Ohio, but that wraparound moisture is with us at daybreak. Then finally, the low pulls away. We will be cool, though, especially with temperatures along the lakefront running cooler. Now, when we look at precipitation amounts, it's hard to say exactly who's going to see the highest amounts of rain. Right now, the model run is giving Morris almost 1.5 inches, Kankakee 2, but I do think as all of this moves into Indiana, we're going to see some heavier rain totals for northwest Indiana because it could linger a little longer there. So our high tomorrow only 70, but I'm thinking 60 at the lake. May start out a little wet with some patchy fog around town. So watch for that.
All right, Mary Kay, thank you.